Alright, so I thought I want to get a shot of these, actually. I filmed that Weather King before. That's the only one I filmed, but I've never filmed these. So I decided to film these at night. This is a Rheem High Efficiency Classic X running. This one just shut off. The Rheem difference scroll inside with a Copeland scroll, I think. The coils are not that much sturdy, I'm surprised. Rheem Classic X High Efficiency from 1993. 2-ton. Oh, here's what's up, Joey? And 1993. Yeah, that's the only one running right now. Don't know if that's a Rheem or not. That thing has no logo on it. That's from 2014. 2-ton. That's barely a powerful fan. Can you feel that actually?
Right here,
but not here because that thing's covered.
You have magic powers.
That thing just shut off. So weird. I caught that. No way. Wow. I'm glad I caught that. I'll never delete this video.
Look how wet it is.
What? Oh yeah, that's a suction line. That makes it wet. Look, come here. This one is wet right here. It's sweating. For today, it's got an Emerson dryer. Alright, so this is a Weather King. Straight cool unit, 14 seer. Weather King. 2011, 2.5 ton. This one shuts off and starts up just like how my Rheem does. That's how it's the same thing. This is a Gentech. This is a Rheem Classic series from 2005. 2-ton. Made in September of 2005. This looks like this was just running. So it just shut off. Classic series 2005. Alright. I really hope I don't get in trouble by this. But yeah, that weird shutdown, I just caught that. I can't wait to see the video after I end this. Okay, so they're like the Goodman right there is running. Yeah. There's just my friends over there. Now that I'm surprised to see this actually. This Goodman's running at night. Goodman, yeah, piece of shit. 14 seer from 2017. 2.5 ton. Rheem from 2012. Okay, I'm not going back there again.
Who does that to kids?
Screw those guys, man. I'm gonna film the Goodman later, actually. If I try.
Caught the fan running.
No, that was just an air conditioner. That's how it works. I'm gonna try and film a lot of them. They don't tell us what to do. I have, but I'm recording it. I see one of them. Oh, I think the Lennox is the only one running. Yeah, that thing's quiet. Yeah, I filmed those many times. This is 2005 Rheem.